Good morning, boys and girls. It is Monday, September 21st. Happy Monday. So we're going to do a number of things today. Today's schedule is different because if you remember, remote learning was supposed to start today. Hybrid learning was supposed to start today. So your schedule is going to look a little different. We're going to have morning meetings still today at 9:30. However, there is no tech time and there's no SEL meeting. We will be checking in on our messages today. So if you need help, you have to ask a question, okay? I'm pretty sure your specials are going to start live on Tuesday, and that would be at 9:35, I believe. So we'll have our morning check-in after. As soon as I have a time, I'll post it on our schedule on AM attendance, okay? For ELA, we're doing chapters 7 and 8 in Number the Stars. And for science, we are going to do an investigation. And I left you a little video there. And normally, boys and girls, this is one of the best investigations that we do. Unfortunately, you're going to have to watch me do it, and I had to shrink it. It's still a really cool investigation, and I talked to you a little bit about it in the video in the science folder. Make sure you check your math folder. Mrs. Broly or Mrs. Elkavage will have a video for you in there. Make sure you reach out to one of them if you have questions. Remember, if you're having issues with your laptop, any tech issues, you have to reach out to the help desk at WTPS.org. It's in the parent section in technology, and it says COVID-19 IT support. Okay? There are just things that I can't fix. I can tell you this. Remember I told you ask 3 before me. So one of those 3 things that you should do is see if you can figure it out yourself, problem solve and advocate for yourself. Sometimes we just need to persevere a little bit, right? The second thing to do is shut down your computer. Close all applications, shut down and restart. I know mine will even prompt me whenever there's updates to actually shut down and restart so those updates can install. If you're leaving your laptop on all the time, those updates aren't going to install. So shut everything, close all the windows, X out of everything, and restart your computer. You could also ask a friend. I showed you in AM attendance, there is a screencast linked to show you how to call each other in teams. We work very closely with Miss Marino's class. Even ELA is very similar. They're also doing chapters 7 and 8. So is Mrs. Babelino's class. So for ELA, you kind of can talk really to any of the kids in 5th grade. We're all doing very similar assignments. Science might be a little different with Mrs. DePietro's class, but could be about the same. But like I said, I teach Miss Marino's class, so you can work together. So call each other on teams if you need to, okay? Make sure you're checking all of your subject folders. Make sure you're looking in math. Make sure you're looking in science. And make sure you open the folder because there's directions on the folder. If you don't actually open the folder, you might not see what's in there to do. So you have to open the folder. When you're doing your work, just download it once and save it, and then work on the saved document. Don't keep downloading extra documents, okay? I think once you get used to that and you get a little bit organized, that it's going to be a really great year and you'll feel less frustrated. For your IDR, there were 2 of you that I conferenced with who have permission to read books. They're the only 2 that met with me when I scheduled the meeting. Some of you are not doing status of the class or reading an epic, which means I can't give you credit for reading every day, and you need to be reading every day. Chapters 7 and 8 in Number the Stars are not as long as the previous sections, so you'll find it goes a little quicker. All right, boys and girls, that is it. Those are your highlights for the day. I put an inspirational quote in AM attendance for you, and I did ask you to put something inspirational or encouraging in teams for Monday to try to encourage your classmates and be supportive of each other. All right, have a great day. See you at 9:30.